Navigating the real estate market, your guide to homeownership. Thinking about buying a new home? Before you pack those moving boxes, let's crunch some numbers and see if buying a house makes financial sense. First things first, the down payment. This is the cash you put up front. Depending on your situation, you might be able to snag a home with as little as 3% down. But remember, on a $300,000 house, that's still $9,000. Luckily, there are some programs that can help with lower down payments and even no down payment options. The mortgage loan professionals at Scott Credit Union can help you find the best loan for your budget. Speaking of mortgages, getting pre-approved is key because it tells you what you can afford before you fall in love with a pricey place. The mortgage experts at Scott Credit Union can match you with the perfect loan by looking at your income, savings, and credit score. Now, your monthly mortgage payment depends on 3 things: the amount you borrow, the interest rate, and the loan term. Remember, it's not just about the monthly payment. Don't forget additional costs like property taxes and homeowners insurance to be sure you're comfortable with your overall housing expense. Finally, closing costs. These one-time fees cover things like appraisals, title searches, and loan origination fees. They can add up to 2 to 5% of the purchase price, so be prepared. Buying a home is a big decision, so don't rush the process. Scott Credit Union's mortgage professionals can help you consider the costs and the mortgage option that's right for you. With a little planning, you can turn that house hunting dream into a reality. Hope this helps, and check out our other videos for more tips.